In Aura, we only use the best international brand products for customers. All the equipments, personnel, and products are sanitized regularly. Today at Aura, I will give an online session explaining these things in more detail.
Yes, hello friends. So today I am going to give a bridal look, and as all of you know, today each bride want very subtle look. So I am giving very subtle, very nude look. Um, and this brush is from PAC. Size the area with dark shade. Then I am using lighter tone from the Sephora. See highlighter. I am using this on eye socket area. Now I am going to apply brown shades, so I will use some different shades in brown. I will start from the lightest brown and then we'll go towards dark shade. I am going to start makeup base. So first I'm going to apply this illuminator, skin illuminator. This is an amazing product from Stage Line. This skin concealer palette, this is from MAC. I'm going to I'm using this foundation from Forever 52. Blush on brush from Beautylicious brand. I am using this blush on from Bobbi Brown. This shade is Nectar. I am using eyelashes from Beautylicious, and I am applying this lash gel from PAC. So friends, how is it? This is my signature new bridal look. Close your eyes. So our model, she is looking fabulous. So did you like, friends? If you like it, please comment me. And if you want to suggest me something, you can suggest me. And this is my beautiful brown nude makeup for the bridal look. Thank you.